In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix mouse sensitivity changing automatically in Windows 11. Fix today. Here, let's begin. Start by clicking the Start button, then open Settings. From there, go to Bluetooth and Devices, then click on Mouse. Look for the mouse pointer speed slider and set it to your preferred level. The default is usually around 10, but you can adjust it based on what feels comfortable for you. Next, scroll down and click Additional Mouse Settings. This will open the Classic Mouse Properties window. Go to the Pointer Options tab, then find the option called Enhance Pointer Precision. Make sure to uncheck this box. This feature is also known as mouse acceleration, and it changes your sensitivity depending on how fast you move your mouse, which can cause inconsistent behavior. After unchecking it, click Apply, then OK. If your mouse sensitivity still resets after restarting your computer, continue to the next step. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. From here, locate your mouse under the appropriate section. If needed, you can uninstall the device to fix potential driver issues. This method works because sometimes drivers can become corrupted or misconfigured, causing settings like sensitivity to reset randomly. Once you've done that, restart your computer immediately. Windows will automatically detect your mouse and reinstall a fresh, clean driver during startup, which helps restore stable and consistent sensitivity settings. After following these steps, your mouse sensitivity should no longer change automatically and should stay consistent based on your chosen settings. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.